Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're in Walmart. We're going to be shopping for each body type, and if you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new, and let's go shop. Scrolling social media, there was a rectangle body type with a crew neck fitted tee and then a really slim straight jean, and I didn't think it was the most flattering, and that it could have been done better if maybe they had a peplum jacket on top or a more wider leg pant. So I had to do this video today. To start off with the rectangle body type, and I love this top from Jessica Simpson. It has that crochet around the neckline, little flutter sleeve, has the bell trim, the seam detailing buttons, and then the same kind of fit through the back. I think this one comes in another color. I shared in a previous video, and they're $26. I think this cardigan from Free Assembly is another good one for a rectangle body type. It has the crew neckline, has these gold buttons, there is texture, it has that puff sleeve with the ribbed bottom, and then the same kind of fit through the back, and these are $22. These puff sleeve tees from Time & Show are another good one for a rectangle. So they have the little shoulder detail, that V neckline, the smocking on the sleeve, nice and flowy through the front and the back. Gonna look really good tucked in, or you could even leave it out. Comes in the green, blue, black, and ivory, and they are going to be $9.98. So I think that example I gave in the beginning of the video, she would have threw this jacket on top with that peplum. It just would have gave such a nice look. So it's from Jessica Simpson. You have the option to make it a little bit more fitted on the wrist or loose. Full button. I think this one also comes in another color option online, not 100%, and they are going to be $34. I also like this vest for a rectangle body type because it has these seam detail that kind of like pulls in the waist, and then also has a little V, has the flat pockets, and then the seam detailing in the back, and they are $26. For denim, I really like a mom jean for a rectangle. These are high rise. They have the distressing. They're tapered at the bottom, so they give the illusion of, you know, the curves, and it comes in at the ankle, and then the same kind of fit through the back. These are from Time & True, and they're $21.98. I think this scoop denim line is better for a rectangle, even inverted triangle, just the way the material feels, even though one of my favorite pairs of jeans is from Scoop and an Hourglass. But I really like these for a rectangle. They're high rise. They have this little drapey drawstring. It's a flowy, nice lighter weight denim. Gonna look really good dressed up or down. Has that same kind of fit through the back, and they are going to be $28. And then for bottoms, I really like this style for a rectangle. So they have that mid-rise, there's buttons, the jogger style bottom, there's lots going on. So you have that seam detailing, also the little cargo, and then the pockets in the back. Comes in the green, also in the navy, and these are $26. Another good one for rectangle body type because you have this thicker material. It gives you that texture. Has the smaller collar, full button, seam detail. You can also bring in the waist, flows out, and then has that seam detailing in the back, and they're $36. Another dress, so this one's from Free Assembly. It has the smaller collar, full functioning buttons, drawstring at the waist, so you can pull it in. It's a thicker poplar material, has the button on the wrist, and then it's a longer midi length, has that same fit through the back. This one comes in the pink with that eyelet trim. I think it also, yeah, it comes in navy, and they are going to be $36. And this is another good dress from Free Assembly for a rectangle. This one has that puff sleeve, has that seam, the smaller collar, full button, and then that drop tier, which is going to give, you know, balance out the top and the bottom. And then it has that same kind of flowy fit through the back, and these are $32. It also comes in this green. Next up is the inverted triangle. I love these Time & True dresses. You can work them with whatever body type, but as is, I feel like this works the best with the inverted triangle. It has the high neckline, it's sleeveless, very slim fit, and then it has like this bulk, especially with the pockets. so it flows out towards the bottom, and then just the length of it, I think it really works. So it comes in the beige and white stripe. There's also black, the teal, and coral. I know they have some other colors online. They're only $9.98. Me, as an hourglass, I'll usually belt it and then pull it up a little bit just because it is a longer like knee length, which doesn't look the best on me. And then I think with an apple you could do a denim jacket or a little cardigan on top, or maybe even size up so it's not, because it is that clingy fabric. And I think this would also work for a rectangle, but like I said, the best would be an inverted triangle just with that higher neckline and the way it flows out. It's a good dress for an inverted triangle. So it's nice and flowy through the body. Has the little split V, or you could button that and have the keyhole. Has the button detail, but it also has that bell sleeve, so it's going to balance out the shoulder and then give a little bit more of a balance. It's relaxed through the body, nice and flowy. It's a thicker satin material, has the pockets, and then the same detail in the back. And this one is going to be $26. I think these dresses from Free Assembly are going to work for almost all body types, but especially the inverted triangle. It has this smaller collar to button up into the waist, has that elastic to pull it in, also has that belt that's going to come over, has the button on the wrist. It's an A-line flowy skirt, and then the same fit through the back. Comes in the blue and white stripe in this poplar material, and then also a chambray, and they're both $34. Another good one for an inverted triangle are these tees from Jessica Simpson. So they do have them in a long sleeve option, which is also going to work with that little bell sleeve, and then also this is the new short sleeve. I'll have them both length, but this one has that crew neckline. It is layered with a little cami, has the lettuce trim, it's fitted through the body, and these are going to be $19. And then this is another good one for an inverted triangle, especially if you leave a couple buttons unbuttoned. So it's a fitted material through the wrist, also in the body, has that smaller collar, and these are $26. This plunging V style also works for an inverted triangle. So this one has the cap sleeve, that V. So if this was a higher neckline, I'd probably say pass on it, but your eye is gonna go to the open area. It's fitted through the body, and then you have the thong style back. Comes in white, also in black, and these are $16. These pants are perfect for an inverted triangle. They're from Time and Tru. Has that elastic waistband, drawstring. They has the pork chop pocket, and then it's flowy with the jogger bottom. Comes in the brown, also in the chambray, and these are going to be $22.98. And then the wide leg linen pants are also a good option for inverted triangle. These have that elastic waistband, side pocket, flowy through the leg. They also have the trouser pockets on the back. In the beige, it's like a true linen color with the white stripe, and then also there's a navy with the white stripe, and they are $21.98. These linen pants from Time and Tru are also great. I think these would also be good for a rectangle. They have that elastic waistband, drawstring, the cargo pocket, comes a little bit at the ankle, and then the pockets on the back. Comes in the linen, also in the solid black, and they're $21.98. This denim is also going to be good for an inverted triangle. It's from Time and Tru, has that high rise, the pocket, cuff bottom, and then pockets on the back. So this is not too stretchy of a denim. They're $21.98, and I think they also have another color, like a denim in that. Yeah, here they are. Next body type is going to be apple, and I love these cardigans from Time and Tru. They have that V neckline, the tortoise buttons, drop sleeve, ribbed wrist, ribbed bottom. They have this material, and then also a cable knit option. This material comes in this coral, there's black, ivory, and one other color I can't think of, and then this textured comes in the green, pink, and navy. They're both $18.98. I also like these tops from Time and Tru for an apple. So they have that crew neckline, and it has that open knit. They're short sleeve, the dolman style, relaxed through the body, has the ribbing, has that point out through the side, In the ivory, there's blue, the coral, and black, and they are $15.98. Puff top from Time & True is another good one for an apple. So it has the higher neckline with the gathering, has that nice oversized puff sleeve with this open crochet detailing. It's relaxed through the body. It's a soft, stretchy material. In the yellow, also comes in the blue, and they're $13.98. I think this one's gonna look good on all body types, especially an apple. Has the ruffled neckline, that split V. It's a relaxed fit. I would, you know, stick with your normal size or even size up if you're an apple, because this cami underneath, there's no stretch. So it might be a little like uncomfortable in the waist area. Has the elastic on the wrist, and then the same fit through the back, the same detail. Comes in the white, also in the coral, and they're $19.98. New balloon top from Scoop. So this one has a zip front, has that side seam detailing with the oversized balloon sleeve, has that same kind of relaxed fit. In the white, also comes in black, and they are $24. I also like these pants for an apple. They have that flat front and then elastic through the back, so you have comfort in the waist. They also have the side pocket. They're relaxed through the body, and then the ankle, it's a little tapered with the trouser pockets in the back. That's what they look like on. In the black, also comes in that camel, and they're $16.98. I think these jeans from Sofia Vergara are also great for an apple. They're a higher rise. They have the whiskering. Sofia's jeans are nice and stretchy, so you have that comfort in the waist, but then they have this cuff at the bottom, so your eyes are gonna go, balances it out with the pockets, and these are going to be $24. New flare pants from Gloria Vanderbilt. So these look like they're high rise. They have the whiskering, the perfect amount of flare. Same fit through the back. This is an ankle boot cut, and they're $24.98. Also like these straight leg crop jeans from Time & True for an apple. So these are high rise. They have the whiskering. They're straight to the leg. Has that raw hem. These look like they're about a 26-inch inseam, but they'll be linked down below so you can check out the inseam. But it gives you the little pop at ankle. You could do a sandal at top, and good to go. And these are $21.98. We also brought back these tier dresses from Time & True. So these have that crew neckline, short sleeves, tiers all the way down, nice and flowy with pockets. In the navy, also comes in teal. They have it black and green, and they're $11.98. New long sleeve dress from Free Assembly. This has that scoop neckline, Henley buttons, has the relaxed wrist with that little pleated detailing, the two front pockets, midi length, or it's shorter length, probably about knee length. Comes in the white with the gold. New dresses from Jessica Simpson. So this one has the tie front, has the V neckline, an elastic in the wrist, also elastic in the waist, flowy. It's like we're getting back to like real boho style. In the black floral, also comes in this pink floral, and they are going to be $34. And then last, we're going to do the PEAR and Hourglass together. I've been both. Right now I'm an Hourglass, but sometimes when I lose a couple pounds, I do lose it in my bust, so I am more of a PEAR. But I really like these pleated skirts for both of those body types. This one has that flat front, elastic through the back, pleated. It's a flowy fit through the front and the back. They have this blue. They also have navy, and they're $26, and they're from Free Assembly. New Scoop flowy skirt. So this is a textured material. It has that elastic waistband. It's flat in the front, nice and flowy. In the black, also comes in the ivory, and they're $28. I just picked up these pants from Jessica Simpson for my haul. I love flare jeans on both an Hourglass and PEAR. I think they're the most flattering. These are a high rise. They have the whiskering, raw hem, and then that same fit through the back. I think these are $24, $26. There's no price on these. Celebrity pink denim is really good for an Hourglass or PEAR because they have a lot of stretch, and they also cut their jeans so that they're not uncomfortable in that hip area or in the bottom. These don't have the pocket on the back, which I don't love, but it's not that bad, especially because this material is soft and it's more of a flowier fit. So it has the smaller collar zip, the little button that's gonna bring in that waist, the whiskering, and then there's elastic through the back. So like I said, they cut their pieces just like Sofia Vergara for somebody that has more of an hourglass, and these are $27.50. I think this one from Jessica Simpson is also good for an hourglass or pear. I think it would also work for a rectangle. So it has the plunging V, this little tie detail, the puff sleeve, the band under the bust, and the tiers. I was gonna say originally apple, but then I looked at the back of this and I just think that it wouldn't be comfortable. And then also what I've noticed from you guys' comments is when I share these kind of baby doll dresses for a apple that they get a little short. So I would say hourglass, pear, and rectangle could do this one. Also comes in this purple floral and they're $38. Love these crochet dresses for both hourglass and pear, but I think maybe a little bit towards pear, but I think with this overlay it's going to be nice and loose, and then you have that layer underneath with the flutter sleeve, so flattering on both. It's a longer length. I love the blue with the multicolor. Also comes in this ivory and they're $40. I also love this cardigan from Sofia Vergara for an hourglass or pear. So I wouldn't wear it mock neck like that. I mean, you could. I would do it more open, stretchy, ribbed, fitted, and then it has that oversized sleeve. Same kind of fit through the back. And the beige also comes in the black, and these are $22. Also new bodysuits from Celebrity Pink. These have that scoop neckline, puff sleeve with the elastic, seam detailing under the bust. You can see it's gathered, and then the back has that thong style. Comes in the red, also in this pink and white floral, and these are $13.50. Also new short sleeve lace top from Jessica Simpson. This has that crew neckline. It has the cami. It's removable. Has the lettuce trim, nice and relaxed through the front and the back. I picked this one up in this ivory in the extra small, so I sized down. The short sleeve also comes in the pink, and they are going to be $19. I also love wearing a monochromatic set. I think it's very flattering for both hourglass and pear. These are from No Boundaries. Super soft, stretchy. They have that banded wrist, the kangaroo pocket. The pants are high rise. I like that these pockets aren't too high up. If there's some like a cargo pocket on, I would say above the knee or at the knee, it gives more of a bulky look to my hip area. So I like that this one's a little lower. The pants are also flared, which I love. Comes in this black, also in blue, and the gray, and this baby pink is very limited. I don't even know if they added it to the website, but these are $19.98 for the 2 pieces. So this is one of my favorite cut jackets for mainly it looks good when I layer it on top of a lot of my pieces. I usually don't have that with a lot of denim jackets being a little bit bigger in the bust and then also in the hips. So this one has a really nice slim fit, has the smaller collar, button on the wrist. It is a little shorter, which I love, and then has that seam detail. I also have a long torso, so I like to wear a little bit shorter jackets. Just gives me that look of having a longer leg, and these are $29.50. But I'm gonna end the video. Thank you so much for watching. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe. Bye.